All right, so this is going to be probably the quickest video I've done in a long time. So this is easy. It's just going to be how to change eye color. So the first thing you should always do, of course, is Command J and duplicate that background. Not though it's that necessary in doing something this simple, but just do it. So first thing you're going to do is make a selection, and it can be a crude. It doesn't have to be a good selection. I'll just use the lasso for this. Next thing you're going to do is grab your hue saturation. And here's the trick for this. You want to go down here to this little colorize and select that. And then it is, as you can see, as simple as moving this slider till you get whatever color you want. So blue, we'll do purple because that stands out. You can also adjust the saturation to make it more intense or less intense. That's up to you. Lightness doesn't really work though because it kind of screws everything up. So the issue here is obviously my selection wasn't good, and so normally, like most of the time, you'll see me work. I work with a really soft brush now like this. For this, however, you want to have sort of a hard brush. I usually go almost up to like around 80% here for this brush. And just because I want that hard edge. And so I'm going to use black to get rid of it. Then I'm just hitting X to, I'll usually flip-flop back and forth like this. It's a little hard with this green thing to get a good selection because I can't really see what I'm doing. But you kind of get what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going over here until I select all parts of the iris and eye, and we can come over here and do the same thing for this one. So we're coming in here and hit X again where I kind of screwed this up and went over. Looks like I went over a little bit here. Good enough. We'll zoom back out just using Command minus. And then you can go ahead once and just kind of slide this around and get your various different eye colors. So hopefully that was informative, but this is actually a very easy thing to do. So if you ever need to change somebody's eye color or make it a little bit more intense, that's how you do it. You want to hit that colorize button right there under hue saturation. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments below and see you next time.